Gujiya, served as a sweet dish during the Indian festivities. It's a kind of fried dumplings usually filled with milk solids or coconut bits. But since it's the season of apples and my feed is filled with apple pies from everywhere, I fused the two recipes. Hey everyone, it's Roshi from Hello Show. This is my channel where I make and experiment with food from different cultures. And if you're a sucker for new recipes, subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into business. First up, we need to chop the apples roughly. Try to take ripe apples since we want the filling to be sweet. In a large pan, add the apples. Here I have taken around 440 grams of apple. For the sweetness, I am adding in 170 grams of sugar and let everything cook down. When the apples are mushy, add in some sesame seeds and some chopped nuts. I have almonds with me now. Next, add in around 72 grams of butter. Butter will give the filling a depth of flavor and will prevent the sugar from hardening. Lastly, add some vinegar for the sourness and to help preserve the filling for long. While the filling cooks down, let's prepare the nimki or the pastry. For that we'll need 1 cup of atta or wheat flour and 2 cups of maida or the all-purpose flour. Add in some salt and sugar to balance the flavors out and some black cumin. Black cumin or kalonji is an essential element in crackers or pastries we have in India. Next, add in some vegetable oil and mix the flour well. Do not add water at this point. It's essential that the flour clumps up like this, and that should be a signal to go on to the next step. Now make a deep well and add in some water. The dough needs to be kneaded with very minimal amount of water, and that will help the dough to form a crispy texture. After an hour, take out the dough and make small balls from it. Now from here the whole process is almost similar to making any dumpling. Roll out the dough balls and add the filling and seal the pastry. After sealing the two ends, you can either take out a fork and press out the two sides like I've done here, or if you're a pro like Ma, you can twist and braid the sides like this. Now it's time to deep fry. In a large pan, add in some vegetable oil and keep the heat to medium low. You don't want the heat to be too hot, or else the outer pastry will burn out, leaving the inner portion uncooked. Drizzle some caramel sauce or some powdered sugar for best results and dig into it. These turned out better than I ever imagined. These not only tasted great with caramel, but you can also step up by adding a scoop of vanilla ice cream to it. It felt like a warm hug on a gloomy day. Try this out this Diwali and impress your guests with something new. It's also a great dessert for the fall season. That's all for today. Comment down below with what recipe should I try out next. Also, if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.